smoothies, it's Louisa here from Woman Strong. Hope you're well. So I've had a busy morning, so I joined our ladies at the 9:30 session this morning where we worked out, really sort of driving and listening to Coach Danny. He really worked our session. So I've had a busy morning meeting some new ladies and setting some new goals and joining us at Woman Strong. So I've come home, quite busy here now, so what I thought I'd do is share a smoothie recipe with you. And you guys have seen it on my posts and feeds that I make it with the children, and the kids love it. So if you have any questions along the way, please do ask, and if you please do like and comment, it'll be great to hear from you. So this morning I'm making a green smoothie, which is a classic recipe in our house, and it's pretty easy to do. And what I do is I get the children involved as well. So hi Angela, hi Pia. So they get involved and they help me make it. So what you need is spinach, banana, orange and apple. Today I'm going to put some chia seeds in it, which are really good at releasing energy, and they're full of protein as well. So I'm going to start making it. So I'm going to use one apple. So I usually go for the green apples, which are good for you. So the more green vegetables and fruit that you eat is high in nutrients. And you want to get as much green vegetables in you, and the spinach is full of protein. I don't think many people know that, but it really is. It's jam-packed with protein and nutrients, which is really important. So I've got one apple and I've got an orange. So what I do is I get the kids in the mornings, they sort of help me cut the fruit up, and then they sort of put it into the blender, we mix it up, and we sort of, sit there together at breakfast time. Also, actually, I want to talk about the blenders that you're using. It's really important, I feel, is to invest in a really good blender. So I've got a 900 watt. I got a special offer on it. It was at Groupon, and I got it for £60. And usually they rate it about 900 over £100, but we got it for £60. And it really does do its job. Blends up all the fruit and vegetables, really smooth. And I do like the smoother smoothies, so they're not full of bits. And I have gone through, before I invested in this one, I went through so many different cheap blenders, like I think we all do. We just buy something that's on deal, but you want to get something 900 watt or more, which is really important to blend up your smoothie. Putting a banana in now, and then I'm going to get a handful of spinach. Like I said, it's full of the protein. Please ask away if you've got any questions, or like and comment, which is good to get feedback from you guys. So this would actually feed 4 of us, so I would have probably about a pint of it. The kids would have a cup, and then Danny would also get some as well. But I don't know what I'm having for lunch, so I thought I'd make a smoothie, jam-packed it with full of nutrients, which is really important. So I'm going to do a tablespoon of chia seeds, which, like I said to you, slow releasing energy, and again, a source of protein that's really good for us, and we've got to get our balance of our protein and our carbs right. So I'll put a tablespoon, and then we're going to go for half a pint of water. I use bottled water, which is just not my preference. I don't know, we've had conversations about it before, ladies. Some of you use tap, and if you can filter your water, it's better for you. So we're going to get that all mixed up, so it's going to be a quick bit noisy. Here we go. We've got our smoothie ready. I'm going to actually have some for lunch. I don't always generally have a smoothie for lunch, but I'm busy, I might just come in and grab it. So that would do me, that would be something for me. And again, I have this for breakfast, so this would just be my breakfast. A pint of that, some water, and then I'd have my snack about 3 or 4 hours after, which is really important to get your snacks in, and we really do promote that at Woman Strong. We promote sort of 3 healthy meals a day, and with your snacks in between. Hi Catherine, oh super smoothie Catherine, Catherine's a smoothie supporter as well. So yeah girls, it tastes good, I'll have some evidence. Really good, but honestly the children love it. It's so easy to make, and you're setting off their day with an amazing start. The nutrients, and they're jam-packed with them, and it's so important for our children. I think what I'll do is I'll talk about on my next live about how bad what is a quick fix to some of the cereals and some of the stuff we're probably giving our children before they set off the day, which is full of carbs, which turn into sugar and turn into fat, and we really need to be mindful of that. Get this in your children. Honestly, you know, they're ready for the day. They can, you know, fight the bugs that go around at schools, which is just the norm at the minute, and we really want to get their sort of immune system built. Okay, ladies, that's from me. So remember, invest in a really good smoothie maker. That was just really, that's a home classic, and you can see on some of the recipe books that we've posted on the feed, there's loads of other smoothie ideas, but they're good for you to set off your day. If you've got any questions, anything else that you want privately, private message me at Woman Strong, or, you know, get involved and get involved in the posts that we share, and we really want to sort of share the information with you. All right, ladies, have a great day, enjoy the sunshine, and get making your smoothies and enjoy them. All right, ladies, see you soon. Bye.